I'll show you how you can analyze images and videos using Gemini 2.5 Pro in n8n. So I have added these two flows in the description, image processing flow and video processing flow. Just take a look at it. So those who want to learn, you can just continue watching the video. So I have added a drive node. I'll just download an image and upload in this URI. So first, I have to upload it to files URI, files endpoint. So, and then I have to process using actual model 2.5 Pro. The reason I'm doing it is because some images may be large and we don't want to overload the model. That's why we can even upload video or any large file. It can be able to process, but if we upload directly, it can't able to process large files. So that's the reason we are using this endpoint first and then upload it. And in authentication, you have to use predefined and select Gemini. If you don't have, you have to create credentials and get your API key from AI Studio. It's very straightforward. Just get API key, create an API key, select a project, and it will give you the API key. Just copy the API key, come to an n8n instance and paste it in here. And Gemini will connect it. So, and then I have to send the binary file, right? If you see this, you'll have the binary file named data. So you can just refer this as data and select binary file. So once you upload it, I'll just test run it now. Once you upload it, you have to prompt the AI. So you have to use this endpoint, Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental, and as usual, connect this and send body, select JSON using JSON. I have added this in the files as well in the description. You can just refer that. So what it does is I have the user prompt. In the user prompt, I have given create me 200 words explanation for this image that I have uploaded. And basically, I have selected this image URI right here from the files that I have uploaded. So you can just drag it and place it in here. So in the file data, file URI, I have uploaded the image URI that Gemini gave from previous node. Okay. So yeah, you can see we have analyzed the image. This demonstrates the phenomenon of light dispersion, blah, 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 whatever. So if you see the image, you can see it's a phenomenon of light. Okay. So then I'll show you how you can analyze the video. And this is the second flow, video processing flow. Just the same steps, download the video instead of image and upload to Gemini just like that. In here, I have added additional steps, I'll tell you. So even though you have uploaded the video, the AI needs time to process the video. So it may be large video, so it will take some time to process. That's why we have to wait some point, wait some time, right? So we don't know how long it's going to take. So let's say a small video that can take 5 seconds, a large video that might take up to 30 seconds. So, but we don't know, some video might take minutes or 10 minutes, right? So in that case, what we can do is, since we don't know the time, we can't just use wait node here. We can't just use wait node because we don't want to wait too long for small videos. So what I did is I just checked the status of that video. I'll just test run it real quick and show you. Once I uploaded to Gemini files, I have checked the status whether it's active or not, whether it's ready to be processed by AI or not. So if you see, I have checked the state active. If we go this node right here, I have used the get request and the URI from here, and if you check the JSON, the state is active. But if you see the previous execution, the state is processing. So it got attempted in the second attempt, in the second loop. So in the first item, you can see it went to the false branch because it haven't processed the video. But if you see in the second item, the second exec once it's processed, once it complete the first loop, it got active, and then it went to Gemini. So that's how you can, process the video. You can't just directly upload to Gemini because it can't able to analyze immediately, and it might throw an error. So you can see the video starts with a clip. This clip from Philosopher Movement of Master Uguay and Poe. If you see the video, it's exactly the same video, and that's how you can see. Let's wait for a minute. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you got it right. So that's the whole point. So I have added the workflow in the description down below. You can just download the workflow and play around, and let me know in the comments what do you want to see next. I can do that. I'll try to do that. Okay. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.